5 hours of printing, about 5 hours of 3D modeling, and the Dragon Cannelloni didn't turn out. At first, I thought everything was fine with the model. I just didn't like how the supports came off and the rough edges on some parts, especially the claws. But the body and head of the dragon turned out really nice. I actually love how they look. What do you think? I think it could have been a very beautiful dragon, and then the problem started. One leg just wouldn't attach and the joint broke. On the second attempt, the legs worked fine. That's when I realized the wing doesn't fit together with the leg at all. I really think Dragon Cannelloni could turn out amazing. Let me know in the comments. Should I fix the model and try printing it again or leave it as it is? See you on the channel.